भजन रहस्य की कथा हम लोग श्रवण करें, जिसमें सप्तम जान
तो ये नीचे चला जाता है यार, दिमाग खराब हो जाता है। बकवास चीज़ लेके आया है।
श्रवण करे हैं। अगर भजन करते करते जब अपनी धीरे धीरे स्वरूप की जो
अरे मेरी पानी की बोतल कहाँ है?
स्वरूप की उपलब्धि और होने के पश्चात तो अपने अनेकों प्रकार दैनों
थोड़ा साइड
आदि आंखों के हृदय के जो वहीभूत करते जिस कथा को हम लोग श्रवण करने से महाभागवती गोपियाँ
Hare Krishna, am I audible to you? Please check. Hare Krishna.
ये विनुत ध्वनि सुनकर के उनके हृदय में कैसे कैसे भाव उत्पन्न हुए और इसके पश्चात अचेतन पदार्थ है जो चेतन है अचेतन पदार्थ की भी बताते जा रहे हैं। इसमें नदी आदि इनके भी माधुर्य अपने भावों के अनुसार महाभाव में
So, gopis are describing their bhavs, their feelings after seeing the rivers and all. Gopis are describing their feelings. So we have heard this katha yesterday also. So now they are discussing, the gopis are discussing the glories of the Venu Madhurya with their like-minded sakhis. So now the gopis are expressing their feelings. So the katha we have already heard yesterday. When these kinds of Mahabhav manifest in somebody's heart, so this all kinds of situations or stages happen, especially Uttam Uttam Mahabhagavad. They, according to their bhav, all the living entities how the living entity is serving their Ishtadev. So they are expressing their feelings. So we have already yesterday heard that. So we were hearing about the katha of that the water is coming from the mountains to river, but it's not moving from there. So what happens? So whirlpool is coming there on the water. So seeing that whirlpools, gopis are saying, look at the whirlpools, how this kinds of feeling is happening in the river.
और कृष्ण के मधुर चित्ताकर्षक अत्यंत प्रफुल्लित सुरक्षित कोमल मधुर एवं उनके मुखारविंद से उनके भाव उत्पन्न
So yesterday we have heard about that when the relishing the samvaras, all kinds of foundation open. We have heard so many meanings of that.
कोई ब्रजदेवी कहने लगे मुकुंद की भुवन मोहन रूप माधुरी की दर्शन और वेणुनाथ से और लहरियों को सुनकर इनका हृदय काम विकार से ग्रस्त हो चुका है। वे अपने अपने भावों से पति समुद्र के नहीं मिल करके और कृष्ण की ओर प्रभावित जल के ऊपर से आ रहा
So the water is coming from the mountain, but it's not going down. Down. So what is the nature of the water?
समुद्र के जाकर के
So water always mix up or submerge into the ocean. So meeting with the ocean,
के स्वभाव से
this is the nature of water.
अर्थात
Even Arthat,
यहाँ ये कहा
so gopis are saying here,
ये देखो ये
लोग
स्वभाव से जैसे जानी पति के साथ नहीं मिल करके
so gopis are saying,
पति के पति कौन होता है समुद्र
so the husbands of rivers is ocean. But there is a nature of the ocean that they have to meet. There is a nature of the rivers. They have to meet with this ocean. But now what is happening? Gopis are expressing their feelings that water is coming from the down from the upside, but it's not going down through. There is a whirlpool is coming. So what is happening? The river, the form like river is here comparing wife, and the ocean is comparing her husband. So now the rivers are not mixing with ocean. So that's why gopis are saying they are mixing up with Krishna's lotus feet.
नदी में वो नहीं वो तो विचार नहीं है गोपियाँ अपने जीव का तो भाव तो जो है
So gopis are expressing their heart's feeling,
हो भी सकता है क्योंकि अपराध इस जगत में
because in the transcendental world
सभी के हृदय में चेतन भाव
everybody has chetan bhav, that consciousness in their heart.
इसमें ये बारे हैं देखो
Here it is saying,
और काम विकार में उद्रेक के कारण उद्भ्रांत चित्त से है अपने वस्त्र आदि ठीक से वो संभाल नहीं पाए
now what is happening, just like Vilovan Thakur is describing
कृष्ण कर्णामृत
in the Krishna Karnamrit Granth, when
स्वर्ग में
in the heaven
अस्पराएं
all the apsaras,
सुंदर सुंदर पारिजात पुष्प चयन करने लगे
so they were plucking the beautiful parijat flowers at that time. At time what happened, the sounds of the Venu of Govind reached to heaven, and hearing the sound of the Venu's Govind Venu, they have so much like lust or kam vikar in their hearts that their all the senses become unconscious, nischet.
और साथ ही साथ उनके
And
हृदय
at that time what happened? First their hearts, their body trembling.
शरीर आदि कपी
So their body was trembling that time, and after that what happened? She all became stunned, and after that,
हाथ में जो जितने भी पारिजात
so whatever the flowers parijat pushp they had in their hands, all the parijat flowers fall down on the Govinds. So that was showering on the Govind's head.
और उन लोगों की वस्त्र आदि यथार्थ स्थान में
And their clothes was not at the proper place,
ये मुकुंद की
because
धनी की
this is the speciality of Mukund's flutes.
यहाँ पर कार्य
So Gopi in this way here is saying, one Brajdevi is saying,
माधुरी के दर्शन और विनाथ की आरोह और अवरोह पूर्ण और लहरी को सुनकर इनका हृदय काम विकार से ग्रस्त हो चुका है
so another Brajdevi says, when the rivers see Mukunda's sweet beauty and hear ascending and descending waves of sound from his venue, both of which enchant the whole universe, their hearts become afflicted with calm.
नीचे के साथ तीन प्रकार उच्च स्तर में होता है
So there are three kinds of tune in the music:
तीन स्तर
very high, very medium, and and lower. It is also said into the chanting Gayatri mantra.
आरोह और अवरोह पूर्ण
Aroha and Avropun means ascending and descending.
कितने स्वर होता है
There are how many? There are how many swars are there? Tunes are there? 7 swars, 7 swars.
किया जाता है पंचम स्वर के लिए
But we have left the 7th swar. We always take Pancham swar, the 5th one. There is many described in the music, so I'm not gonna describing deep here.
नृत्य जो है
So that the people who are so much attracted towards music, who are following the music,
किस स्वर से कब क्या गाया जाता
so
है,
from which
कब
tune,
किस
what
स्वर से
to,
गाया जाता है,
from which swar, what to sing,
गा गाया जाता है।
in which morning time what should they sing, in the evening time what they should sing.
जबकि शहर
So
जो गाते थे, अलग अलग होते
every tune, every swar is different
हैं।
according
यहाँ
to
तक
the
कि
time.
देवता लोग
Even
भी,
devtas,
और एक एक स्वर के जो है वो अलग अलग देव लोग देवता भी हैं।
and every swar has their ishta devta, their devtas, adhishtatri devta. In this way it is mentioned in the scriptures.
जैसे सा रे गा
Just like sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa
सानी गामा धा पा
re ga, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa re ga ma
स्वर
pa.
आते हैं, दो स्वर जो है डबल हो गए।
So there are 5 swars and 2 swars are double. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni ra ga ga pa ma sa.
डबल
2 swars are become double.
जो है
Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni sa re ga da ma pa dha. So there are many kinds of views there. We are not going to the deep there.
इसमें तो जो है
Focus attention on that. Do not look back. I am translating, don't disturb me. So this is all described in the music shastra very nicely. If somebody wants to learn music, then they can go there and
सर माधुर्य
learn.
सुनने के लिए अपने अपने वाहन पर
So hearing the swar of that music, their devta also,
पर आकर के
their devta is coming on their chariot. It is mentioned in the Venugit.
कृष्ण की वेणुध्वनि सुन
Hearing the sounds of the flutes of the Govind,
देव और देवियां जो है
Dev and Devyas,
और आरूढ़
when they were sitting on their chariot
आने लगे
and coming,
और देखो कृष्ण की वेणुध्वनि की ऐसी सुंदर स्वर जो
and the beautiful tune of the Govind's Venu,
पति लोग ने सामान्य रूप में दर्शन किया, पत्नियां भी दर्शन की, किंतु राधा जी के दर्शन सौभाग्य नहीं। और उससे पहले क्या हो गया, अपने पतियों के सामने ही वो सब क्योंकि राधा जी के दर्शन उतने सहज नहीं, गोविंद के तो दर्शन
so all the Braj Devis, all the Dev and Devi, they have taken the darshan of Govind, but they were not able to took the darshan of Govind, Radhaji, because the taking the darshan of Radhaji's lotus feet is very rare. That's why it is also describing.
अबूरह पूर्ण लहरियों को सुनकर इनका हृदय काम विकार से ग्रस्त हो
So hearing the sounds of the Govind's Venu, the beauty of the Venu, ascending and descending, waves sounds from his Venu, both of which enchant the whole universe. Their hearts becomes afflicted with calm.
कुछ ऊपर उठकर उन्होंने तरंग बहाव के तरंग रूपी
So now they have rivers, their flow with great force, and instead of moving towards their husband, the ocean, they flow towards Krishna.
बढ़ जाते हैं।
When water stops, so what happened in the rivers? So the water level of the rivers increases. So what happened? It's going towards the chest of the Govind, up to the chest of the Govind, and Krishna is sitting at the bank of Yamuna. And when the level of water is increasing, so the water level is going up to Krishna's chest. So gopis are expressing this feeling. It will increase or not. So this is the position of Yamuna.
अपने भुजाओं रूप
Then their arm-like waves rise up higher and embrace Murli's chest.
भुजा मुरारी आलिंगन स्थगित पूर्व भुजो मुरारी पाद जुगलम कमल आश्चर्य की बात है।
This is very astonishing thing. Gopis are saying,
कृष्ण आजनी कौन सा भाव है? कृष्ण आज मानो कुछ वाम भाव में करेंगे।
so Krishna is now standing in a Bame Bhag. Yesterday I told you about
रसशास्त्र
in the Rashyas, according to the Rashya Shastra,
रूप में स्त्रियों में वाम भाव
So Istri, the ladies has so much Vame bhav, and the Purush, the gents has they was so much Dakshina bhav. But sometimes, according to Nashta Shastra, in general form, generally we have seen the Vame bhav in the chants
आज
also.
गोविंद के तो मानो आलिंगन तो किया,
So Govind,
तथापि गोविंद मानो उनके प्रति है, अपने
so they have hugged the Govind, but Govind was not so much pleased. Today,
स्वयं तो आलिंगन किया, इसलिए भुजई इसमें लिखा रहे आलिंगन स्थगित उर्मी भुजुर मुरारी है। तब मानो कृष्ण के मनाने के लिए है वह समस्त है लहरियां समुद्र के
so pleasing Krishna, that time all the waves of the rivers, what happened? That became the water level became down, decreases, and when the water level down,
मानो उपहार दे दिया।
so they have given the presents their chest to
ये
Krishna.
है इसमें बहुत सुंदर
Very nicely described here.
माधुर्य पड़ा हुआ है।
Very nicely Bhav Madhurya is described in this
ये
book,
किस प्रकार है
that how
स्वरूपकर वही तरंग रूपी भुजा के मुरारी के वक्षस्थल का आलिंगन कर दे। यहाँ पर मुरारी नाम से
so Murari means Murari because he was playing Murli. Because he has killed the more demons, that's why his name became Murari.
मूल शब्द संस्कृत में होता है
In Mur means in the Sanskrit is calm, it's prem.
प्रेम के जो है बड़ी शत्रु के हृदय में, बद्ध जी के हृदय में सबसे बड़ा शत्रु क्या है?
Calm. So the biggest enemy is in the Badajeev, it is calm. You can conquer everything, but you cannot conquer over the calm.
इसलिए भगवान
That's why Bhagwan
के द्वारा
in the Ras Leela,
वर्णन किया।
he would like to this
एकमात्र गोविंद ही राम की विजय कर
in the Ras Leela Bhagwan presented that Leela that only Bhagwan Krishna can conquer the calm only. So that's why this Ras Leela also known as Kam Leela, Kam Vijay Leela.
इसके द्वारा और यही काम विजय लीला भी कई श्रद्धा के साथ
And if somebody with deep faith hear this Kam Vijay Leela with so many of deep faith,
काम विजय कर सकते
so he can conquer over the calm.
विष्णु श्रद्धान्वितो अनुसन्नाद वर्णित भक्ति परां भगवती प्रतिलब्ध काम रोग आसु अपनुति अच्छी है यही तो कहते जा रहे हैं। किंतु देखो इस
But
प्रकार
look,
में जो स्वयं मुरारी
so Murari himself,
गोपियों की जो प्रेम बरकाम का जो है पूरा करना
for fulfilling the gopis, for satisfying the gopi,
और ईश्वर के लीला वर्णन किया।
क्या कह रहे हैं?
किंतु वो गोविंद की आज खुश है। जमुना अथवा मानसी गंगा
Yamuna and the Mansi Ganga, the waves of Ganga and Mansi Ganga, it was rises so much up.
किंतु उससे
They have embraced, they have hugged the Govind, but Govind was not affected with that. Then all
नदियां के तट
the rivers, what they used to do,
उपहारा
so they have given the present to Govind.
कमल के जो है उपहार
So they have given the present lotus to Govind.
आज अपने भक्त के गोविंद जो कृष्ण के मुरारी कहने के गोपियों की तात्पर्य है
So what is the meaning to say Krishna Murari? Because Krishna has killed the more demons. There is a reason why the gopis called Krishna Murari. They says, we have taken shelter of Shri Nandanandan, who has all the qualities of Narayan, the destroyer of more demon. It is very sad, however, that we are always tormented by Kam or Cupid. So, gopis are expressing their feelings here. Although the killer of Moor is aware of this, he makes no arrangement to punish Mar or Kam lust. Sri Narayan has become famous as Murari by killing the demon Moor. thus making the demigods fearless. So there was a demon
है शिव जी के भक्त
who was a great devotee of Lord Shiva.
शिव जी से वर प्राप्त करके
After getting the benediction from Shivji, he was so much, he was making so much noise. He was teasing everybody. So he got the benediction that nobody can kill him. Even Lord Vishnu also cannot kill you. So he was so much powerful and he was teasing everybody.
वो उद्दंड होके सबको
So being so powerful, he was giving suffering to everybody.
सब देवता आदि
So
सब
all the
लोग
devtas,
भगवान विष्णु के निकट
so they went to Bhagwan Vishnu and praying him.
तब भगवान विष्णु ने
Then Bhagwan Vishnu, what he did?
है, वह मूर नामक व्यक्ति है कैसे वध किया
So how he killed more demons?
नरकासुर के गए थे तो कई कल्पोपदेश हरि कथा
So according to the Kalpa, there are different katha. Just like in Ekadashi Mahatma, we also heard that more Daitya, more demons.
भगवान विष्णु उसको मार नहीं पाए
So Bhagwan Vishnu was not able to kill him, but Bhagwan Vishnu.
है, गदा आदि के द्वारा इतने पिटाई करने लगे भग जाता था
So Bhagwan Vishnu was beating him by his gada so much, so he ran away from the battlefield and he comes again. There is the nature of some peoples;
और नहीं कुछ नहीं पाए
they are not able to do anything,
कुत्ते के नाम भांति भोग
but they always barks like dog. So when you ran away, when you hit the dog, so he will go and after some time he will come back. So this is the nature of some people. So at time
काम करने लगे
when Bhagwan Vishnu was taking rest
है,
in a cave,
तो उस समय वो आकर
so
के
at that time
भगवान विष्णु के आक्रमण करने लगे
more demons came and attacking on Bhagwan.
भगवान विष्णु उस समय
So Bhagwan Vishnu, according to the Yog Maya, he was in the Yog Nidra. He was sleeping in Yog Nidra.
है, और जब आक्रमण करने लगे
So when
तब भगवान
that Moor was attacking,
अंग से
so from the body parts of Vishnu, there is a beautiful lady came out.
अनेक अस्त्र आदि
And
के द्वारा
when she came out, so she was full of so much weapons, and she killed the Moor demons.
कुछ समय के बाद
At that time, after some time, Bhagwan Vishnu,
उठे
when he woke up, so he saw that more demons was falling on the ground dead, and that lady was praying to the Vishnu, folding her hand. Bhagwan Vishnu was aware with everything, but still he was pretending that I don't know anything. So he was asking, "Who are you?"
तुम्हारे नाम
So she said, I am manifested by you." So Bhagwan said, "What's your name?" So she said, "Bhagwan, I don't know what's my name because I am manifested from your body. So please give me you give me the name."
तब करते तुम
At
बहुत
that time,
तुमने ऐसे दुष्ट
because Bhagwan said that because you have killed this demon, so now ask me any benediction.
तब उन्होंने कहा यदि वर देना है,
Then
यही वर
that lady asked, "If you want to give me any benediction, so please give me this one."
आपकी भांति
That
सभी लोग हमें है, सम्मान करें
just like everybody pay the respect to me like you, because
नाम रख दिया क्या
Madhav Titi.
एकादशी
So Bhagwan gave the name of that lady Ekadashi.
भगवान की इस
According to the Kalp, many kinds of lila happened. So that's why
मूल व्यक्ति की कथा भी इसी प्रकार है निसर्ग भगवान
at the,
मूल व्यक्ति के मार
any Kalpu, there is a katha that when Bhagwan killed the Murdaitya demons,
इसमें उनके नाम हो गया मुरारी
so that's why his name become Murari.
विभिन्न कल्प में
There are different cults and different katha.
यहाँ पर जो मुरारी कहते हैं अर्थात काम
So
का
here the word is using Murari, so it means
कृष्ण मूर नाम से प्रसिद्ध हुए
so who has conquered the काम. So that's why he became Murari.
तभी इनका नारायण के समान गुणशाली होने
So that's why he is the same quality like Narayan
अनोखा
and
मार के विनाश होने के हम रजरमणियाँ भी है अब हम चैन से हम सांस ले रहे हैं।
so Shri Narayan has become famous as Murari by killing the demon Moor, thus making the demigods fearless. In the same way, if Krishna destroy Mara, he will become famous as Murari and will be recognized as having the same qualities of as Narayan. Otherwise, not.
एक हम लोग लिखते हैं कुमार कुमारी लिखते
We used to write the name Kumar and Kumari after our name Kumar Kumari. Like my name is Ashwani Kumar and somebody's name Geeta Kumari.
तो विवाह भी नहीं हुआ,
So Kumar who is not got married.
विवाह नहीं हुआ, यानी अल्प वयस होता है।
So the who haven't got married, he is just like
कुमार शब्द के अर्थ होता है
Kumar means
उसके हृदय में कोई काम विकार
who doesn't have any kinds of काम vikar in his heart.
लिखते हैं कुमार व कुमारी शब्द
That's why the Kumar and Kumari verse is used.
लिंग में होता है कुमारी,
In the lady gender, it is Kumari, and the gents they used to write Kumar.
इसके बाद क्या लिखते हैं जब बड़ा हो जाता है
When he grew up and become Kishore,
हैं? कुमार शब्द नहीं लिखते,
they, नहीं मैं तो गुरुदेव अपना अश्विनी कुमार सक्सेना। तो अभी तब इसीलिए तो कुमार आएगा। नाम से पहले, इसीलिए मैं थोड़ा सा
इसी प्रकार कहते हैं
so in this way it is saying
हम गजल में भी है, सांस, अच्छा आलिंगन स्थगित,
Alingam Sthagita.
एक एक शब्द के बता,
So now they are describing of the shlokas one by one word.
उच्छलित होकर
So Alingan Sthagita. It means the waves of the rivers moves closer and closer to Krishna's chest, and upon reaching it, they fall to ripple at his lotus feet. Seeing this, the gopis, whose heart are filled with loving attachment to Krishna,
चेष्टा कर रही है।
says,
कितना सुंदर भाव
how beautiful bhav is this?
है। एक मित्र दूसरे मित्र के
One
साथ
friend
होते हैं,
with
प्यार
another
किया
friends they meet, they used to hug each other.
जाता है। किंतु जब निर्विकार देखते हैं
But-
तब लज्जित हो रहे
Huh?
हैं। और तथा आलिंगन के विरत होकर पुनः अपनी तरंग रूपी अपने हाथों से कमल पुष्प का जा उपहार सके अपने चरण कमलों में अर्पित करें। अपने सर्वात्म स्नपनम हो जाए।
Sarvatma Smanama means they are surrendering herself.
सर्वात्म स्नपनम,
Sarvatma Smanapram.
सब कुछ मैं अपने को
So I am surrendering everything into your lotus feet. Mahabhagavati Braj Ramanis.
भाव गरिमा लक्ष्य पर नाना प्रकार के भावों की व्यक्त कर रही है। यमुना और
So-
मानसी गंगा के साथ ही साथ ब्रज
Braj Ramanis expresses various bhavs, seeing how the moods of Shri Yamuna and Mansi Ganga are one with those of the Gop Manasi.
तदात्मक है।
Manas Ramanis is as
दूसरी की
what is bhav tadatma?
अपने आप अपने को तदात्म हो जाना।
Tadatma means
आत्मा
seeing the feelings of other behave like same.
आग में प्रवेश करा।
Just like if you enter the iron rod into the fire, so the iron becomes like fire. It's too hot. It becomes like fire.
की जो दाहिका शक्ति उसमें प्रवेश
So
हो जाता
the power of
है।
fire
तदात्म
transfer into that iron rod.
ही
We have seen
तदात्म हो जाता है।
in this world also the jeev becomes tadatma. Tadatma means
कम लग समय लगता है।
behave like that same person.
किंतु बुरी वस्तु में जल्दी तदात्म हो
So it's really hard to being transferred in the good thing, but in a bad thing it's very easy to transfer. If somebody sees a very bad thing, so he tadatma means he observe in that very easily. So Uttam Mahabhagavad Sukdev Goswami, he was not affected by anything. In the transcendental things, when we got the transcendental knowledge, so that person is not affected with any vikar. It is mentioned in the Shrimad Bhagavatam also. Sukdev Goswami Pad, when he got the birth from the mother's womb and he walking towards the forest, so when he was walking, so there was a little bit, there was a pond. So in that pond, many ladies were taking bath without nude, without clothes.
और दूर से सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद को
So when they saw Sukdev Goswami from little bit far, so seeing that Sukdev Goswami was not affected and that ladies was not affected, and Sukdev Goswami was left that place.
पीछे उनके पिताजी
And after him, his father Vyasdev.
उस लड़कियों के पिताजी के दादा ताऊ की
So he was his age was like his that lady's grandfather.
वो समझता है लड़कियां जल्दी
So whenever he saw the Vyasdev, all the ladies they came out from the water and they were covering themselves with the cloths. So Vyasdev, seeing that, Vyasdev was so much shocked.
है मेरा बेटा
My son, he was just 16 years old. He is without clothes. He is without cloth and he was walking. Seeing them, you were not feeling any ashamed, or he was not feeling ashamed. But I am so old, and seeing me, you are feeling ashamed. You are feeling so ashamed, and you are covering your body. So what? Why?
बहुत गंभीर प्रश्न
This is very deep question.
है आज यहाँ पर जो है यहाँ पर एक सुंदर भाव वर्णन हुआ
Here, there is a beautiful bhav is expressing, which is called
है अद्वैतता सिद्धि होता है
Advaitata Siddhi.
द्वैत और अद्वैत
Dvaita and Advaitavad is started from here. Dvaita and Advaitavad started from here.
जहाँ पर
Where
द्वैत भाव रहा जाता है
Dvaitavad,
विकार होता है।
where Dvaitavad happens, so there is Vikar comes. Vikars happen.
और जहाँ पर अद्वैत
And
आता है
where Advait remains, there is no Vikar.
है। तात्पर्य क्या है
What is the meaning to say?
हम जब अभिमान करते हैं
When we got this kinds of ego that I am the lady, I am gents.
ये द्वैत
So this is Dvait, dual feeling. There are two things here.
है तब उस समय जड़ जगत में विकार
So in that time, in the mic words, Vikar happens.
और जब यह भावना
When
रहता है
this kinds of feeling happens, Advait,
है, एक ही वस्तु है
everything is one.
एक ही वस्तु में कभी विकार नहीं
So in one things, never Vikar comes.
एक वस्तु में विकार है। विकार समझते हो विकार
Vi-
किसको कहा जाता
What is Vikar? Do you understand? Transformation.
है? एक वस्तु दूसरी वस्तु से परिवर्तित होकर के
When one thing's transformed to another things,
अपने स्वतंत्र क्रिया आदि प्रकाश करती है।
and that expresses their independent feelings, that is called Vikar.
जैसे दूध के विकार
Just
क्या होते
like doodh transformed into the
हैं?
yogurt.
वस्तु एक ही था
There is the same one thing.
और उससे कोई वस्तु हम संजोग के
And when we connect it, mix up anything in that jamun, just like whenever we make yogurt, so we mix up some jamun, like little bit sour things. So what happened? That milks become yogurt.
दूध से क्या बन गया दही।
So from the milk is transformed into yogurt.
विकार
So the milk transformed into yogurt, it just because of vikar.
विकार होते दूध की विकार होती भी नहीं है। किंतु यहाँ पर एक विशेष
But here there is a speciality. Advaitavad is philosophy is destroyed here. That the
दूध ये दही कभी
milk becomes yogurt, but yogurt cannot become milk. So this is the biggest philosophy. That is the destroyable Advaitavad.
है। ब्रह्म से जीव
If you say that jivas are coming from Brahma,
यदि कोई कहा दिया
if you are saying like this,
किंतु
but Jeev cannot be Brahma.
यहाँ पर अद्वैतवाद
So Advaitavad is destroyed here, Khandit.
है। अद्वैतवाद की यहाँ पर
So this is the philosophy of Advaitavad. But so Advaitavad is destroyed here. But Advaitavadis are saying that Jeev first Brahma becomes Jeev and Jeev becomes Brahma. So this is the cycles. No, this is the wrong philosophy.
ब्रह्म से जीव बनी
So Brahma became Jeevs, but Jeev cannot become Brahma
क्योंकि विकार से
because this creation happened with Vikar.
तो यहाँ पर महाप्रभु की
So that's why Mahaprabhu was asking the same question.
इस शास्त्र में लिखा है ब्रह्म निर्विकार है।
It is mentioned that Brahma is Nirvikar. It is mentioned in the scriptures that Brahma, what is the special meaning of Brahma? Brahma means Brahma means Bhagwan.
तो ब्रह्म से ये जीव जगत कैसे प्रकट हुई?
So
बिना विकार से
Bhagwan,
प्रकट नहीं
this word is manifested with the Bhagwan. So without Vikar, how it is possible?
नहीं। बिना विकार से
So without Vikar,
नहीं।
there is no transformation. Means no, nothing can be created.
तो ब्रह्म
So how you can say that Brahma is how Brahma is avikari? He is not. He is not
ये
vikari.
अद्वैतवादी की
So this is the question of Advaitvadi. Advaitvadi asked this question.
ये सृष्टि
This creation is done when there is a vikar,
शास्त्र में लिखा
but
है।
it is mentioned in the scripture that Bhagwan is avikari, nirvikar.
तो महाप्रभु ने
So that Mahaprabhu given the example, he given three example. First,
मंत्र औषधि
mantra aushadhi,
है
mantra aushadhi, mani mantra aushadhi. He is giving. Note down.
मणि जो है
Mani, first is sparsh mani.
वर्षमणि जो है
When sparsh mani, it is avikari.
लोहे के क्या बना दिया?
When you touches into the iron, so iron becomes gold. But that sparsh mani always remains the same.
सोना नहीं बनते,
Sparsh mani never becomes gold,
लोहे के क्या बनते?
but it transformed the iron into gold. So,
ठीक उससे मंत्र आदि के द्वारा
and by the mantra, there are many kinds of
वस्तु के साधन सिद्धि हो जाती
there are many kinds of things is getting by the many siddhi comes into the heart of sadhak by performing tantra mantra. Many people get so much siddhi.
है। स्तंभन आदि प्रक्रिया के द्वारा
They used to do so many kinds of.
के शक्ति के जैसे स्तंभन करके वहीं पर चलते रहते हैं।
So they have so much power at that time that they can fire, they can walk on the fire. This is Stamban power.
औषधि अनेक प्रकार
And
के
Aushadhi means medicines.
बुटियां जो है
There are many kinds of jadi butiya.
उसके द्वारा अनेक प्रकार
So
के
by
कार्य
that, many kinds of activity has done. There are many kinds of illnesses and diseases removed.
है, अनेक प्रकार वृक्ष के मूल जड़ आदि
After taking the roots of many kinds of trees, many kinds of disease, you can conquer the disease.
अलौकिक शक्ति
So
है।
this has the incredible power.
महाप्रभु का
So that's why Mahaprabhu is saying,
ये तीनों में यदि ऐसे
if this Mike thinks has this much power, so what to speak about the Par Brahma Bhagwan? What is the astonishment in that?
है, यही तो कहते हैं। महाप्रभु ये तीनों क्या?
So Mahaprabhu has given this three example. Even Brahma is Nirvikar, being Nirvikar
अचिंत्य शक्ति के
by his
द्वारा
Achinta Shakti,
जगत जीव आदि को सृष्टि
he has created this Jagat Jeev, this world.
आज यही कहते हैं। है? और ब्रह्म में तो यही कहा जाता है ज्ञान विचार के द्वारा कहते हैं क्या सगतो सजातीय विजातीय भेद नहीं तो ब्रह्म है।
According to Tattva Siddhant,
गणमाद्यम प्रमेदी परमात्मी
Bhagwan iti shabdate.
ये समझते विचार।
So this all kinds of which are showed by Mahaprabhu.
तो हम आगे कथा
So now we were hearing the Katha. Now we are coming to the Katha.
निर्विकार
Nirvikar.
यहाँ पर भी कहा है
And here it is saying,
अनुरागी नदियाँ पहले श्यामसुंदर के अपने आलिंगन पास में बंधने की चेष्टा कर रही है, किंतु उन्होंने निर्विकार देकर लज्जित हो रही है तथा आलिंगन से विरत होकर पुनः अपने तरंग रूपी अपने हाथों से कमल पुष्पों को जो है उपहार उनके चरण कमल में
दे रही हैं.
महाभगवती बजरंगियाँ जमुना आदि नदियों को हाथ भंगिमा
Upon the observing the behavior of the Yamuna and others rivers, the Braj Ramanis expresses various bhavas.
अंतर्निहित है, जैसे उज्जवल मुनि आदि समाधि जो बंधनी सब वर्णन किया।
So these all kinds of bhava expresses in Ujjal Nilmani and other granths.
भूप्रमणीय भागवत तदात्म का यह अनुसार दर्शन हो रहा है। यह तदात्म जिसको
So seeing how the moods of Shri Yamuna and Mansi Ganga are one with those of the Gop Ramanis is an
साधक में ये विशेष योग है।
unprecedented darshan.
किसमें भाव तदात्म है। जब तक भाव तदात्मा नहीं हो
Until there is no bhav tadatma,
भजन
till
राज्य
then
आगे बढ़ नहीं
we cannot make progress in bhajan rajya.
अभिष्ट हुआ प्रभु करे न बखान
Avishtoya Prabhu Karena Bakhan. What does
अभिष्ट
that mean?
होकर के महाप्रभु शास्त्र आदि बता दो जैसे कृष्ण कृष्ण की माँ यशोदा जब क्या बोलते हैं सुनाती थी
When Mother Yashoda tell the stories to Krishna, when she was telling the story of Ramayana, so at that time what happened?
रावण को मैं मारता
So Krishna said, "Where is Ravan? I will kill him. I will kill him. Please take my bow, arrow." So Ma Yashoda, what happened to you?
तो ये समझते जय तदात्मता
So this is all Tadatmata, means observe your mind in that same things.
आगे की कथा फिर वर्णन करते हैं राम कृष्ण के चरण स्पर्श से गिरि गोवर्धन आनंद
So Giri Govardhan becomes blissful by the touch of Shri Krishna and Shri Balram, lotus feet, and he worships them the various way articles Srimad Bhagavatam states. So this text number in Bhajan Rasya 5 and the shlok number is 10, 21, 18. 10th canto, 21 chapter and 18 number shlok. How beautiful shlok is this? Aha, beautiful feelings are expressing here. It is mentioned in the Venugit. O Sakhis, the mountain Govardhan is the crown jewel of Hari's, her servant. Blessed is his fortune by the touch of the lotus feet of our Pranaballav Shri Krishna and Baladev Prabhu, who is most pleasing to the eyes. Govardhan is blossoming with delight and supplying crystal clear water, soft grass, wonderful caves, and various of roots. By thus serving Shri Krishna and Balram, who are surrounded by the coward boys, and he highly honors them. Who is saying? Radharani herself is saying this. So Radhika Rani herself, she is describing the Govardhan's glory. So everything she has in her heart, but she is imposing to Govardhan. There is a beautiful lesson here. Opreksha Alankar, I told you that is Opreksha Alankar. So this Krishna Bhakti is so far. Until you won't get the mercy of the saintly person, till then you cannot perform bhakti. Even our worldly karmas cannot go away. So Mahabhagavati Gopiyans saying very humbly, we are the worldly person, we have got married, and now we have stuck in the worldly life. So now we are nourishment, the family members, so we have stuck on all these things. So we don't have time to perform Govind Bhajan because we have stuck in this world. We are bound by that ropes, which is the biggest foundation is this material foundation. This is the biggest foundation, sansar bandhan. If somebody fall down and went into the sansar, so it's really hard to come out from that. Just like this saying that somebody jumped in the fire, so he has gone. He cannot come out from there. So who has got married, he has gone. So if somebody once jumped into the fire, so it's really hard to come out from that. This is the strange world. People want to jump into the fire, and when they jumped, then what now? That's why in the Srimad Bhagavatam it is saying, at the time of Deepavali you have seen a little bit insects, just like jeera. हाँ, छोटे छोटे जीरा जीरे की तरह होते हैं, बहुत छोटे छोटे।
जीरा को सौंफ को कुछ
इट वॉज जस्ट लाइक
अभी जब आएगा आप देखना कार्तिक महीने में
इन द कार्तिक मंथ there is a little insects, so they,
आग जला दो
so whenever you put fire, burns fires, so they will,
समझ करके
so seeing that this is the fire is eating food, so they used to go there and burns up himself. So this is the nature of that jeev.
करके देखो
When you get up early in the morning, so you will saw so many kinds are killing there, so many jivas are killing
इतना इतना खाई
dead,
हजारों हजार जो है
thousands that insects are there.
और ये कि देखो बरसात के समय अभी बरसात
At the time of rainy season,
छोटे छोटे वो होता है
little bit insects,
पतंग होता है
patanga,
एक्चुअली वो जो है क्या बोलते हैं
patanga, it's just
पंखा
like
हो जाता है
that these are ants, but they got wings. So what they see, whenever they see the fire, so they go there and burns up.
समझ में आया? क्या बोला
Understand what I said?
तीली का माने चिट्टी चिट्टियां के जब वो पंखा आ जाता है
When the ants got wings, so they fly, and when they flies into the fire, so they burns up.
हजारों पंखा टूट जाएगा और चिट्टियां चटपट 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 करते
So they were so much suffering. When you burn fires,
चिट्टियां क्या होता है
so all that ants, a little bit insects,
सामा कीड़ा कहा जाता है
which is called shama kida, because they have the color like
वो कीड़ा करते हैं
so that insects jumped into the fire and killed himself.
जीव संसार
So in this way, whenever a jiva is stuck in this world or in this material life, so come out from that is really hard. It's not possible.
शादी कर लेते
After getting marriage,
हैं फिर बाल बच्चा उसके बाद
after first they got marriage, after that they got child, and
कैसे विवाह
then they nourish their child and how to get married their child. So they always thinks about that.
शादी अपने बेटा बेटी की शादी करते हैं
So
बेटा बेटी की बेटा बेटी नहीं हुआ
so once they got married with their sons and daughter, after they thinks we will get our grandsons.
बेटी की शादी करा दी बेटी की शादी हुई
When the daughters got married, and if there is no childs of their daughter and sons, so they are so much worried about that. Oh, my sons and daughter get some beta like sons and daughter.
रोग शोक
If there is a child happens of their sons, so now he is full of disease. So now they are saying, Maharaj, we have got sons, but now we have got our grandson, but now he is suffering so much.
संत महाप्रभु इसी प्रकार की तामिल स्वामी जी दे दिया
So Sant Mahatma has given some medicine like tavish, kavach to him.
हमारे महाराज और कुछ कर दो
So Maharaj, he is engaging himself in alcohol and so many bad activities. Now he is not performing bhajan.
समय तक वो
So at the time of that, till the death, he is just thinking about his sons, daughter, wives. So it is not possible to perform bhajan in the grasta.
एक एक के वो सब दिखाने के लिए माला जप कर रखते
Everybody is chanting the holy name just to show the peoples. Everything is useless.
और हृदय में इतने भावना
They have so much feelings in their heart.
तो भागवत
It is mentioned in the Srimad Bhagavatam, Andakupam. Srimad Bhagavatam.
एक बार कोई गृहस्थ धर्म में
Once somebody enter into the grasta, oh my God.
वो जीवन जीवन उनके बेकार चला गया।
If somebody, Andakupam, if somebody enter into the well,
हाँ उठने से हो जाता है और उसके बीच में यदि इसको कोई सब मर गया तब तो ठीक है
yes, if somebody got married and everybody died, his sons, his daughter, his wife, everybody died, then maybe he can perform bhajan. But being in the grust life, it's really hard to perform bhajan.
आज समझे
So understand.
भगवान धीरे धीरे उनको क्या करता है वही से तब नहीं सही भजन होता है आप दिखावली का
All is showing, nothing, nobody is performing bhajan. Nobody is performing bhajan in the grust. They are showing the people, oh, we are performing bhajan. Oh,
सेवा कर
they are serving the Vaishnava seva.
बाहर की बात
This is all useless.
अच्छी तरह से समझो
You have to understand this very carefully. Then you get married.
आज मैं एक बार जो फंस जाता
Once, once somebody is stuck in the material life, in the gross life, so at the time of death, till the death, he is so much tension, he has so much problems in his life, he has so much worry in his heart, he cannot perform bhajan.
तुम्हें मन लगाना इतने सहज
It's really hard to engage your mind in Govind.
शब्द होता है तो कैसे करेंगे? बड़े महत्व की कृपा जी
So how it is possible? By the mercy of Maheta Sant, saintly person.
कौन से होने चाहिए?
And what kind of sant that may be? Just like Narad Rishi.
भगवत पार्षद देव
Bhagvat Parshad Deha Prashad.
कितने भक्तों के
Narad has liberated so many. They have turned the lives of so many devotees. We have heard Prahlad, Murari, Dhruv, कौन सा?
वाल्मीकि
अरे वो जो
Vyad.
क्या
Vyad.
नाम था?
His name was नहीं अग्निवाल नहीं. His name was, the Vyad name was
वैद के नाम क्या?
Mrigari.
मृगारी।
Mrigari, yes, Mrigari, his name.
जीवन के बदल
So you have turned you have changed, Narad Rishi changed the life of Mrigari.
नारद जी चित्रकेतु
By the mercy of Narad Rishi, Chitraketu Maharaj's life has been changed. So he has changed the life of many demons, many peoples.
प्राचीन बरी गुपुरंजन पठान सराधिके प्राचीन बरी राजा उनको भी देंगे
Prachin Bari Raja,
इसे कहते हैं संत
and in the future time there is another devotee who is translating now.
इसे तो गोपियां मानो गोपियां अपने के एक साधारण
So gopis presenting themselves in a very they are presenting their humbleness. So they are glorying the Govardhan.
राज गोवर्धन
Hey Giriraj, we should go to Giriraj Govardhan and we will pray to him.
राज गोवर्धन सर्वश्रेष्ठ
We, Giriraj Govardhan is the topmost Haridas. He is the topmost servant of Bhagwan. It is not possible by the ordinary. Shrimati Radhika is saying
इस साधारण भक्त के द्वारा हमारे
it is not our life won't be changed with any sadharan ordinary bhakta. We have to go to Mahato, topmost. So topmost devotee we have to go. And who is the topmost devotee? Giriraj Govardhan. So according to your disease you have to go to the doctor. If you are suffering from cancer,
संसार में जो एक्सपर्ट जो
so who is the expert in cancer, so you will go. Who can treat the cancer very nicely, so you can go to him. You should go to them. If you
अच्छी आ गई
if you are sneezing little bit and fever, then you should go to a normal doctor,
जो है वो
so you can go home.
उससे थोड़ा हिम्मती दवाई ले
So he will give little bit medicine, then you will be fine. But
जैसे जैसे बीमार
so according to your disease you have to go that doctor who can cure your disease. So in the same way gopis are saying, because Govardhan is the topmost Haridas, he is the topmost devotee, that's why we should go to him. Three Haridas, Yudhishthir,
युधिष्ठिर महाराज
and one is Yudhishthir Haridas or
श्री हरिदास
Uddhav and Govardhan. There are three Haridas. You should note down.
हरिदास बोलते कि
So three Haridas were. So we have to go to the topmost Haridas, who is Govardhan. So he can change our life. He can give our mercy. So by his mercy, whatever kinds of foundation we have in this material world, we will be liberated from that. अरे बाद में पूछना.
युधिष्ठिर कहते हैं हरिदास का
Yudhishthir also called Haridas. Why he is called Haridas? Because Yudhishthir Maharaj,
सर्वोत्तम रूप में गोविंद के समर्पण किया
because he has surrendered himself unto the feet of Govind.
अनेक अनेक भक्त में सब हरिदास अनेक अनेक भक्त में सभी का हरिदास
But topmost three.
युधिष्ठिर महाराज जैसे
But Yudhishthir Maharaj, he is the topmost devotee.
युधिष्ठिर महाराज के नाम आए
That's why in three Haridas, Yudhishthir Maharaj also. Not mine, not yours.
युधिष्ठिर महाराज किसके
Why Yudhishthir Maharaj came? Why Yudhishthir Maharaj has become Haridas?
इतने आत्मसमर्पित आत्मा
Because he was so much surrendered soul in Krishna, no bhuto, no bhavishya, no past and future.
पासा खेला
He played the pasa, the chaucer, because he knew that this is a desire of Bhagwan. They knew that it is bad, but still by the desire of Bhagwan, he played that. And he lost everything. Draupadi asked the same question,
ये तुम
that
दांव में
why you have given me, why you have given me to Draupadi? I am not one and only your wife. I have 5 husbands.
संपत्ति मांग
But why did you think that I am your assets and you have given to me?
क्या अपने मुझे दांव में लगाने के पहले क्या अर्जुन आदि के सबसे पूछा?
So why did you offer me, and before offered me to them, why didn't you ask to Arjun and other?
द्रौपदी कौन जानते हो क्या?
Who is Draupadi, you know?
द्रौपदी कौन है?
Lakshmi ki Ansh.
हैं? ये को पता है? रहस्य।
I just tell you the mysterious. Who is Draupadi?
वास्तव में
Sita. Actually, Draupadi is a Chaya Sita.
छाया सीता जिसको अच्छी तरह से
You have to understand very nicely that who is the Chaya Sita.
रामायण ऐसी एक अद्भुत कथा है। रामायण के साथ भागवत पुराण के साथ इतने जोग है और क्या है? छाया सीता है ये।
So Draupadi is the Chaya Sita. You should understand. Maybe you know the story. In the Brahmavart Pram, this is described.
रामचंद्र वनवास
When Ramchand was doing Banvas, so almost 13 years passed away.
12.5 साल
12 and a half year or 13 years passed away. Only 1 year left.
एक बार भगवान
So once Bhagwan Ramchandra, he was visiting in the forest.
भगवान रामचंद्र के दुख देख
So seeing the sorrow, when he was visiting, so seeing the sorrow, Bhagwan Ram was so much sad. So everybody said, Bhagwan, why are you sad? Then Bhagwan Ramchand said his heart's feeling, look,
मेरा जो है संभोग लीला को तुम्हें आस्वादन किया
I have relished the Sambhog Leela. Now I have Vipralam. And now I have to relish the taste of Vipralam Leela, the separation mode.
अर्थात मेरे पत्नी सीता जी से भी
Otherwise, I have to perform the Leela with the separation with Sita, my wife.
मैं सीता को मैं किसको देखूं?
But how I can give to Sita to whom?
कहाँ रखूं?
Where should I keep him?
I am
The reason I have came into the forest, so I have to fulfill that also.
रावण वध करना
Because I have to kill the Ravan, I have to kill the demons. So this is the main reason.
कौन होगा? रावण की जो वध जो है
So killing the Ravan, this is the topmost object of Ram.
रावण की वध करना है
Because he has to kill Rama, he has.
किंतु इसके लिए मुझे आगे की लीला कैसे होगा? सीता हरण बिना नहीं होगा।
So I have to perform so many leelas. So without the kidnapping of Sita, it is not possible. So where should I keep Sita?
और रावण सीता को हरण
And Ravan is not able to kidnap Sita. He is not has this much quality, because she is my
को कैसे हरण?
power potency. How he can kidnap her? So where should I put Sita? So that's why I am very sad. So there are two reasons. First, I have to worried about Sita, that where should I keep her? Bhavi Vichit.
आने वाले जो
Because the separation is coming in future. And the second thing, where should I keep Sita? There are two things.
होता है बोले
So Agni Devta said, Hey Prabhu, Leela Purushottam, you know everything.
आप अपनी पत्नी सीता की जो है मेरे पास
So you can keep your wife Sita to me,
और मैं आपके छाया सीता आपको दे दी
and I will give you the Chaya Sita.
अपने पास रख
That Chaya Sita you keep yours with you, and Ravan will kidnap that Chaya Sita. So then you can fulfill your all works. After killing Ravan, you can take back your original Sita,
छाया सीता मुझे
and you can give in the back my Chaya Sita.
भगवान रामचंद्र की अच्छी बात
Bhagwan Ram, okay, very nice. This is very nice thought.
इसके आगे की कथा आप लोग जानते हैं
So the further katha,
और रावण किसको चोरी किया
So Ravan kidnapped the Chaya Sita, the shadow of Sita.
है? चलो युद्ध समाप्त हो गया
So now the war ended up.
समाप्त हुआ
Ravan's battle ended up.
भगवान राम
And then Bhagwan Ramchand, he said
लक्ष्मण के बोले तुम
to Lakshman, please arrange the fire,
जो है असली सीता के
because I have to take my original Sita.
गुरु तत्व होते हुए वर
Being Guru Tattva, Lakshman was not aware about this.
पता नहीं
He was not aware about these things.
है यही तो आश्चर्य की
So this is the astonished things.
सब जानते हैं
So somebody said the Guru knows everything. Are Lakshman was not knew everything. So what to speak about me?
लोग कहते हैं ना गुरु सब जानते
People used to say Guru knew everything. It's no, Guru knew.
हैं एक साल बीतने का आ रहा है पता नहीं
So when Brahmaji caught the thief the cows, and he is the Akhand Guru Tat, but he was not aware about that. So people who say that Guru knew everything, People used to say Guru knew everything. Are Baldev Prabhu is not aware about these things, so what to what to speak about us? If presenting humbleness, it's okay. Lakshman was arguing with Ramchand. Then Ramchand make him understand. Okay, I will explain you. So Lakshman was not aware with these things for so long. So the fire, the Agni Devta has given the original Sita to Ramchandra. So the Chaya Sita, she pay her obeisance and tell to Agni Devta and Ram, where should I go now? I have served in your pastime, in your Leela, so many days. Whatever the Chaya Sita did, so it is done because of your Leela. So I am the helper in killing Ravan. I have served you so much. So please mercy upon me. Give me the place somewhere. Where should I go now? So at that time Ramchand said, Hey Devi, Chaya Sita, so you will be the helper in Krishna Leela of mine. In the Krishna Leela, you will be my helper. So he said just only this. So that Chaya Sita, it is mentioned in the scripture, she went to Pushkar and did austerity there. And after austerities, she went to Swarga and she became Swarga Lakshmi. So that Chaya Sita became Swarga Lakshmi. And when you know that the fire happened and the Swarga Lakshmi, how she, because she has committed the offense in the Brahaspati, and that Swarga Lakshmi, the same Swarga Lakshmi again. So according to the Mahabharat, Virat Raja, so she became the Kanya of Virat Raja and she appeared from the fire in the form of Draupad Kanya. That's why her name became Draupadi, Drashtadyumna and Draupad. So that's why she appeared from the fire in the form of Draupadi.
हमारे जो 5 पति उसके हुए इसका कोई कारण होगा 5 पति इसलिए उनके बाद द्रौपदी तपस्या कर रही थी.
Why she got 5 husbands? Because she was performing Shivji. She went to the Shiv temple. She was worshipping Shivji so much. So at that time, she told to Shivji, I need husband. Shivji is Nirvikar. And he said, I need husband. So she asked 5 times, I need husband, I need husband, I need husband. So she said 5 times. That's why Shivji, okay, you will get 5 husbands. So that's why Shivji told, oh, you get 5 husbands now, go. She was saying, I need husband, I need husband. So she said like this 5 times. So that's why she got 5 husbands. So this is a very mysterious story. And Draupadi was so much ashamed. So why are you giving me 5 husbands? So Shivji said, I am deaf, I am dumb. Why are you saying again to me? Now you get the 5 times 5 husbands. So that's why it is mentioned in the scripture. So if you want to offer something to Shivji, so only do 1 time. Otherwise you go to Shivji and ask 5 times, oh Shivji, if you are happy to me, so please give me husband. And if you say that 5 times, so you will be Draupadi. So if you are asking the son, so just only pray 1 time. If you pray again and again, so you will get that time of son, that kinds of son. This is a mystery. In the Brahma Bharata, it is described very nicely in a very interesting way. So if you are going to worship other demigods, watch to Shivji, you have to be very careful about worshipping Shivji. Whenever you offer your flowers, only ask 1 thing, 1 time. Vaishnav asks Sadashiv. Vaishnav thinks that Shivji is Sadashiv. He is Vishnu Tattva. This is a very mysterious story. that Chaya Sita,
है क्या जी?
she is Draupadi. She became Draupadi. What is your question? Who was she in Krishna Leela Draupadi? I am not able to get it. Please write it again.
है तथा क्योंकि विष्णु के भी अंश, विष्णु के जो लक्ष्मी के अंश उसमें है।
So she has the part of Lakshmi. It is also Chaya Sita, Draupadi.
तो जिस कथा हम जो
So the katha I was telling you, Draupadi, she asked to Yudhishthir Maharaj, why you have,
पंचपति के पत्नी
I am the husband, I am the wife of 5 husbands.
चारों की सम्मति नहीं,
So you didn't get the permission of 4 others, 4 husbands, and you have offered me on into the court, into the Chaucer, that gamble. Just like you have to sell this house, and if there are 5 brothers, so one this home cannot be sold by one brother. So first they have to take the permission of all the brothers, and then there will be a registry. Then he can sell this.
कमरा है, 5 भाई है,
If there is one room, one home,
पांचों की क्या होनी चाहिए?
and there are 5 brothers, so if you want to sell that house, so you have to take the agreement and the permission of all the brothers, then you can sell it, otherwise you cannot, it's unable. So Draupadi asked the same question,
ऐसे क्यों किया?
why have you done this? So Yudhishthira replied very nicely. Yudhishthira said, hey Draupadi,
मैंने जो कुछ किया,
whatever I have done,
ये सब मेरे प्रभु
this is all the desires of my Prabhu Krishna.
वो जितने मुझे हृदय में
So whatever he has inspired me, so I have done that. At that time,
महाराज
Yudhishthir Maharaj said, Draupadi, listen,
रामचंद्र
Bhagwan Ramchand, is he Lord Ram or not? He is omniscient.
अच्छा बताओ ये स्वर्ण सीता, ये स्वर्ण सीता क्या बोले?
Chaya Sita. Are original the Marich,
जो है
when Marich
सोने के हिरण
he became in the form of gold deer. So Bhagwan was not aware that is there any possible that there is gold deer.
रामचंद्र यही नहीं जानते थे,
So Bhagwan was not aware about this.
वो भगवान रामचंद्र सोने के
The same Bhagwan Ramchandra, why he was chasing that gold deer.
भगवान रामचंद्र नहीं थे,
Even Bhagwan Ramchandra was not aware about this, that he is Marich.
हे द्रौपदी
Hey Draupadi, Bhagwan Ramchand, he knew everything, but just he was performing his Leela in the same way. Whatever I have done, it is just because of desire of my Prabhu, my Krishna. That's why Yudhishthir Maharaj, seeing the character of you can look at the character of Yudhishthir Maharaj. His name is Yudhishthir. Who is Yudhishthir? Yudhishthir means there is so much struggles in our mind and heart. So he is always stable. That is why he is Yudhishthir.
अपनी पत्नी को अपमान करे, तभी युधिष्ठिर महाराज भीम दुर्योधन
Yudhishthir, Bhim, Duryodhan.
युधिष्ठिर महाराज के क्रोध देखा नहीं
So we have never seen anger in Yudhishthir Maharaj.
युधिष्ठिर महाराज
Yudhishthir Maharaj was always keep and calm.
भीम अर्जुन नकुल सहदेव ये तीनों में पांचों चारों में क्रोध आता है,
Except Yudhishthir Maharaj, other 4 Pandavas, we have seen so much anger. But Yudhishthir Maharaj, he was always nirvikar. He is always very keep and calm. He was devoted soul in Bhagwan feet.
साधु के जो 5 जो
So whatever the kinds of qualities of sadhu,
पूर्ण मात्रा में युधिष्ठिर महाराज
so it is completely established in Itiksha Karunaka Suridha Sarvadehi Nam Ajat Shatru Shantura. 6 गुण है ना. So this all qualities is in completely in Yudhishthir Maharaj.
इसके विस्तृत वर्णन
So I will describe this later about the briefly.
इसलिए युधिष्ठिर महाराज
That's why Yudhishthir Maharaj,
इधर तो नारद ऋषि युधिष्ठिर महाराज के
I will let you know.
भागवत में
That's why Yudhishthir Maharaj,
बंद गुरुवा जे संक्रियाना
he was praying like this.
साक्षात गुणं परब्रह्म
मनुष्य लिंगम
Guram Parishram Manishya Lingam. Very nice, beautiful shlok. Everybody has to learn this. He has given the example of Yudhishthira Maharaj. So Narad Rishi said, I am the sannyasi, sadhu. So, but like the Yudhishthira Maharaj, no one is devoted soul in the future and past. Na bhuto na bhavishyati.
लोके
मोनो अभियंते.
मेरे बड़े बड़े मुनि लोग आपके
The big Muni, they come to your yes, the gate of.
आप लोग की चरण धूलि सिर पर
So many big Munis came and they take the feet of your dust,
वही जो एक गुरु
dust of your feet, and take in their head. And the same Krishna is in your home.
करते करते पांडवों के घर में पधारे. उस समय स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण युधिष्ठिर महाराज
So when Narad Rishi was wandering here and there and he went to the Yudhishthir house, at that time the Krishna was situated. She was in the house of Yudhishthir. So he was saying that how much fortunate you have. So Yudhishthir Maharaj, he was praying very humbly to Narad Rishi. So Narad Rishi said this shloka.
लोग के बदभूरी भाग
लोके को माना
संसार के लोग गृहस्थ की गृहस्थ 50
So these sansaric people,
जैसे मैंने कहा दिया पहले
sannyasi always used to say, what is gras? They always say, oh, what is gras cannot do bhajan. They are useless and like this. But Yudhishthir Maharaj, Naraji is same praising him. Naraji is praising that Yudhishthir Maharaj. So this is the glory of Yudhishthir Maharaj.
ये श्लोक याद करना चाहिए
Everybody has to learn this shloka.
कि बदभूरी भागा जीवनम क्रिया
Hey Bhagwan, I am not able to hear. This is the shloka of Bhagavatam
सप्तम स्कंद
in the Bhagavad 7th canto 25th chapter around. And you can tap on the Google, maybe you can get this shloka. That's why Yudhishthira Maharaj is called Haridas.
इसके पश्चात किसका और इसके पश्चात कौन है
And after that, I am not able to hear what is the shloka. How can I tell you what is the shloka? Haridas will tell you tomorrow about this on this shloka.
मोबाइल लिखा हुआ है
अच्छा श्लोक याद कर पूरा भागवत के याद बहुत याद है क्या
इनसे ले लो पुरानी लो
श्लोक पुरानी श्लोक से ले लेंगे
स्टार्टिंग में होगा प्रभु महाराज जी स्टार्टिंग में होगा ना श्लोक नंबर
I don't know that. Murari knows every shloka. He knows that whole Bhagavatam. Okay, I will ask Murari. What is she saying? Oh, it is 7 canto?
नारद युधिष्ठिर संवाद है
No, it is Narad Rishi Samvad. 25 chapter and Narad Rishi Samvad. This shloka is also there. You have Gauri Kanta? Do you have Gauri Kanta? Yes, yes, I have. So you can see in that. So tonight in the Shiva Bhagavatam, having that. This is all the Pandit Kathas.
पुराण में जो लिखा है
Whatever mentioned in the Quran, I have told you. And whatever the people say, they all say.
किसी मैसेज से सुना मैंने
सभी विषयों में
All the best. Everybody is the best. Okay, everybody is the best.
बैठ जाते चलो प्रसाद साहब से
बस मैं तुम ये चल रहा है चलेगा बेटा
Okay, viewers, Hare Krishna, thank you for tolerating me. Okay, viewers, thank you for tolerating me. Hope you enjoyed. This is a very nice Leela, Chaya Sita and about. We will discuss tomorrow. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol.
निकाले